What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another YouTube video. It's your boy All the Real, aka my life real quick, saying anybody there, you feel me, boy? So today we're gonna back another YouTube video. We're gonna be checking analysis on goal to see how it played out for the week. You feel me? I'm gonna pull up my screen, the charts and trading view. You feel me? So, anyways, this is just a test on how you could do things right, like boy. Yeah, when me does setups live on YouTube. You feel me? As you can see right now, I'm on 15 minutes time frame. I'm gonna pull up to. By the way, sorry guys. Let me just pause the music. Pause the music. I'm gonna pull up to 30 minutes time frame. See what's going on. 30 minutes. Sorry about the mess in the back, y'all. It's crazy out here, bro. Let's see what's going on. She's gonna go 30 minutes time frame. Fair value gap for Monday though. Not bad, guys. I got a trace computer right now. I know it's not the best. It's not the fast. It's slow, bro. What the fuck? Price actually already mitigated this good gap. 30 minutes time frame. Price did mitigate, so we could be looking into going higher. Mitigated because what happens is this is on a higher time frame. We mitigated already and we made a new high. Ready shift. Pulling back. Oh shit, boy. I didn't see this, man. How about this? This better? Oh, this better, bro. Blame, blame. You good? You did. Let's end this trading, bro. Let's end this screen recording on OBS and see how we went about this. Peace out.